Oh, too many.
Anong sunod yoga na?
Yogs.
Palit na ako.
Bugs. Oh, ito yung CD mo.
Ayoko.
For the first
itapon mo.
time,
Itapon mo.
I've been
Ayaw mo?
looking
Tapon mo.
in your eyes. For the first time.
Love this.
I can't believe how much I see.
I can't believe how much I see. Abot ko din.
I can't believe how much.
I can't believe how much I see.
How much I see.
When you're looking back at me.
When you're looking back at
For the first time.
oh. Dum 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 dum.
A chair is still a chair. Yeah, baby.
Even when there's no one that was part.
I was wrong and I know. Cause honey. Ay, mali.
But I'm not meant to know.
No, 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 no.
Workout ka?
Yep.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm not meant to live alone.
Turn your house into a home. When I turn the key.
Tatakbo ako.
Falling out and falling out and
Umimik ka. Falling out, falling in, falling out, falling... Hindi ka nagbago. Falling out, falling in.
culinary artist. Ouch! Kinagat ko yung...
Ano lang yung...
Magkamukha ka ng band-aid lang yung to keep her, ano.
No, I mean, it's so that the dress doesn't,
Oo.
natanggal nga eh. I wanted to,
Galing.
galing.
Nakaka-release kasi ba? Cool siya, no? Cool kasama. Hindi plastic. Plastic ba siya? Hindi. Ito yung totoong ka. For the first time, I've been looking in your eyes. For the first time, I can't believe how much.
There was a time where Pao was so... I remember I was with Pao in those
Who's
low
older
times.
ba?
Pao's the eldest.
Yung eldest.
Yung singer. Si Gab yung talagang dance.
Oo.
Si Pao was so down kasi everyone kept, pare, ano ba yan? Concerts ng dad mo, nandun siya, tapos ikaw, nanonood ka. So he was telling me he felt pressure, that's why he put up the band.
Kaya yung band naman niya, hard
Heavy
dance,
metal.
diba?
Heavy metal. Pero ano pa rin,
Layo.
about God.
Oo.
Galing. So yun. Pero yun, buong buhay, sir, talaga. Especially when we did, together, Lion. Grabe yung pressure sa kanya. Siya yung namin,
Saan
siya
ba
yung...
pinalabas yun?
Meralco.
Time used
Theater.
to work on
With-
the docks.
Who's the guy we were
Years
talking
been
about,
a
yung songwriter who's making it big to stage?
Oh, sige, sige.
Was he there?
No. He wrote the music.
Ayun. Tama.
Grabe yung pressure sa kanya, sir, kasi it was his first...
Paulo.
Oo. Talaga, lahat ng press talagang tinututukan siya. Kasi first, tapos anak siya ni diba?
Okay naman.
Okay naman. Pero grabe talaga. There were times where after the show, he'd cry kasi feel niya sobrang sama ng
Oo.
Tapos maana naman siya, naku, may review na naman ako, ganyan. Pero hassle talaga maging anak ng
Kala mo
celeb.
na aksidente siya few months ago?
Oo, isa pa yun.
How bad was that ba?
That was bad. He was going home. Tapos,
C4, C3
C5.
ba?
C5. Biglang lumabas yung, jeep. Na yung pang sundalo. Alam mo yun, owner jeep.
Oo.
Bam, salpok siya. Pero hindi siya lasing. Tapos, he was perfectly fine. Pero natakot siya kasi the people were ready to beat him up.
Oh?
Kasi hindi nila kilala. So, nung dumating na si, si Gary, okay na. Napag-usapan na and everything. Pero grabe talaga the pressure.
Pero wala
Headli-
siyang whiplash or wala siyang buti na lang.
Okay naman.
Ganda niya, no? Dito, ang ganda ng mga sinabi. Doon ako
Sir, inspiring talaga lahat ng sinabi.
Oo, di ba? Ang ganda ng mga sinabi niya. Nang?
Sanitary napkin po.
Oh, sir, meron siya.
Okay, MCR, pahinging daw.
Pahingi daw ng
Aray
napkin
ko.
si Sir Mon.
Pahinging sanitary napkin ng mga girls.
mo kay Tita Chloe tsaka Tita Joey mo.
Sige po.
Kaya inaalis na yung tension sa'yo. So maglalagay ka naman ng tension.
Hindi ba kayo parang mapapasma nun?
Hindi naman
yung
sa
ulo
relaxation
niya. Hindi naman.
technique naman po.
Hindi mo makahinga. Hindi mo makahinga.
Star Scholar ride.
Bilang mo ko niyan.
So sa'yo may ganun, yung sa'yo walang ganun.
Then may ganun din.
Oh,
May
ano
ganun
ba?
na
Ang
difference
difference,
lang.
sir, makapal yun sa kanya, pang night use kasi. Yun sa akin yung normal na manipis lang.
Pare-pareho lang naman yung pagtakip sa...
Sir, di sir kasi ang quantity ng liquid na lumalabas.
Pandikit sa Alam mo yun? Alam mo yun?
Ang
Pandikit
quantity,
sa
ang volume pala.
Yes? Yes? Hindi. Tigat! Meron pa akong pastime.
Stop somebody from this new.
Lang. Thank you.
Stop me from this new. See? See? You can stop anybody. Ikaw, stop.